In this video, I'm going to save you guys a lot of time, a lot of frustration, and a lot of money. When it comes to Lending Club, just keep your money in your bank accounts, keep your money in your pockets, don't invest. Watch this video to find out why. There's one company that I invested in. I thought it was a good idea in the beginning, but now, after all this time, I realized that I just wasted a lot of my money and a lot of my time. But this is my story and why I don't recommend Lending Club. In today's video, I'm gonna go over Lending Club. Lending Club is a peer-to-peer lending platform. It has really gained more popularity in the recent years, but I started about 3 to 4 years ago. I started about 4 years ago. But I started about 4 years ago, and this is my personal story with Lending Club. So now that we're in the Lending Club mobile app, I just have to let you guys know that they only recently came up with this Lending Club mobile app just a few years ago. I think I downloaded this 2 years ago. And when I first signed up with them, I only was able to use their web-based platform. And my total value at the moment is $109. Cash available is less than $6. And to my detriment, my adjusted returns, net annualized returns, is less than 5%. If I invested in the stock market in April 2015, I would have been able to ride that bull market with everybody else, and I would have received probably 15 to 20% returns on whatever I invested. If I just invested in like a low fee index fund, but I didn't, and I paid the price for that. When you're investing with Lending Club, you have to buy these notes, and each note has a grade. And the higher the grade, the less risky the notes are and the less interest those notes will pay. And on the other end, the lower the grade, the higher the risk. And if you're taking like F grade, G grade notes, if you're buying those, most likely you're not gonna be seeing any returns. Most likely you guys will not be getting paid back. You will have a very high interest rate. When I first invested, I don't think there was even an F or G grade, and I was investing in mostly B, C, D, and E grades. So at the time, I bought 43 notes, and my weighted average return was supposed to be 14%. So it went from 14% to 15% net annualized. That's unbelievable. That's almost a 10% difference in what actually happened and what I was supposed to have as a actual return. And another bad thing about Lending Club is that whenever you are investing in these notes, you know, you're putting in your cash and you're investing it for a very long time. So my weighted average was 38 months. 38 months, that is 38 months divided by 12, which makes it a year. That is 3 years. This company is holding your cash for 3 whole years, over 3 years. So when it comes to liquidity, when it comes to being able to utilize your cash, you won't be seeing that back for a very, very long time. That's why it's taken me so long to take out all of my cash from this company. I still have $100 in this. I still have $100 in principal, but I've been slowly taking it out over the past maybe 1 or 2 years. And it'll take me a very long time to even withdraw this $100 from this account. So this is the status for my holdings at the moment. I currently still have 13 notes, which equal $103. None of them are in grace period, and none of them are late. So this is how they set it up, right? If your notes are in the grace period, that means that investor has a few days to pay back for your note to be current. And if not, it goes into the 13 to 30 days late, and then it will go back into the 31 to 120 days late, and after that it'll just be defaulted. And if you look here at the bottom, I've only had 21 notes fully paid off, and look how many I have charged off. About half of my notes were charged off. Like, how crazy is that? Over about $128 was charged off. That means that money's all gone. I won't be seeing that back at all. And I think that's why my net annualized returns was so low. It's just because I had so many charged off notes. So in total, I have 8 notes in the 36 months, and I have 5 notes in the 60 months. And man, it's gonna take me a long time to get everything back out, but You know, that's what I signed up for, and at the time I did not know this, and that's why I'm telling you this now. Don't invest with Lending Club. It just takes so long for these notes to finish, and at the end of the day, you won't know if you'll be paid off or not, and most likely you won't. Most likely you'll be just most likely all your cash will just get charged off, and it was just not a great experience overall. So my automated investing, I have it turned off. You know, I don't want to invest any more money with Lending Club. They give you the option to buy your own notes, and you can go into detail on like, and you can go into great detail about the borrower. You can see if they owned a home or not. You can see how long they've been employed. You can see their gross income. You can see all of that. So that's also another reason why I did so poorly when it comes to investing with Lending Club. I just left everything up to the algorithm, and I didn't do too much research when it comes to these individual notes. And ultimately, I paid the price for that. One thing about Lending Club is that they make it very easy to put your money in, but after your money's in, they make it very difficult to take your money out. And just for further proof, here are my statements. I have 48 reports, and I get one report every month. So I have been invested with them, you know, throughout 17, 2016, and all the way April 2015. That was the first month that I invested with Lending Club. It took me a very long time to make this video. It took me about this is my third time trying to make this video because I was actually very embarrassed. I didn't really want to publish this, but I have to let you guys know that Lending Club, I just had to let you guys know that Lending Club sucks, and you know, there is a possibility to make money with Lending Club. Like technically I did make 5% returns, but what they advertised and what I got back was completely different. So what I actually thought I was gonna get was 14% returns, and what I've received in return was like 9% off. And like with all that money I've invested, and with all that money invested in Lending Club, if I just put it somewhere else, yeah, if I put it into the S&P 500, I would have got so much more money back. With this video, that's what I want to get through with you. I just don't want you guys to go and make the same mistakes that I've made investing in Lending Club. If you guys were on the fence about using Lending Club, hopefully this video persuaded you not to use it, because like I said, liquidity is very poor when it comes to them. Once you put your money in, it's locked up, and it's locked up for a very long time. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And if you guys want that, I don't know why you guys would want that, but if you guys want that, you can go with this route. And on top of that, if you are investing with them, make sure you pick individually which notes you're going into, because if you leave everything to their algorithm, most likely they might be picking some really bad notes for you, like they picked for me. And that's my review on Lending Club. Hopefully that saved you some money, because I lost a lot. I lost a decent amount when it came to them. The opportunity cost, I would have made a lot more with something else. If you guys want to watch some of my other videos on Robinhood investing, M1 finance investing, you go check it out here, and leave me a like if I helped you guys save some money here. And don't forget to subscribe. I come up with 3 videos per week, and hit that notification. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. If you've made it this far to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a special pro tip. If you still want to invest with the Lending Club, you guys might want to take a look at Lending Club's stock. Yes, Lending Club is a publicly trading company. They've been on the market for a few years now, I think over 5 years. But in my opinion, it is not that much better. It is only just a little bit better because Lending Club has been trending down for the past few years. Why do I think it's better? It's because your money won't be tied up for a long period of time. And if you decide to sell, you can sell right away, and you don't have to wait for any contracts or notes to become completed. And also, I would like to announce that I have new merch. If you want to check out my merch, I have a few designs up. I have a few t-shirts, a few sweaters. Everything is in the links in the description. And I also have a new membership. I don't have that many members right at the moment, but if you want to support the channel, join the membership community and also buy some merch. Thanks for watching. I'll check you guys out on the next video. Bye.